And you have agreed to take on all 4 members of our existing IT department. We have confirmed the appointment of Bernard Legisquet as your on-site IT manager.
Wait a minute, Françoise. This isn't confirmed. We want to see if he's the right person.
He's the best candidate.
He's the only candidate.
And he'll be an AUKUS employee, so we'd like to interview him.
Okay. Yes, a contingency sum will be agreed at the beginning of the year for urgent IT projects, and I will be responsible for authorizing any spending.
Will this be in the contract?
No. I guess that about does it. It's been a very productive day. A definite result.
I'm very pleased we managed to solve my staff problems. I don't think there is anything more.
I think there are a couple of things. A system for payment and employment contracts.
You and Françoise can do that by phone. How about we order you a taxi?
Could we just...
Thanks, Sean. If we go fairly soon, we can get the earlier flight.
What are you doing? There's no way we're finished here.
Come on, Karen, let's just cut our losses and go home while we've still got something.
Hello, this is Mr. Morrissey. Can I have a taxi for our guests? You should make that dinner. 10 minutes.
Excellent.
I'm afraid I have to go. Andrew, a pleasure to meet you.
Likewise.
Françoise,
No, Karen, I will call you tomorrow. I think we have made excellent progress today.
We should be going too.
Yes, let's go. Karen.
Yes. We can't do any more here, can we?
And you have agreed to take on 3 of our existing IT department, 2 permanently and 1 on a short-term contract. Is that correct?
Yes. We do understand you feel that Bernard is front runner for the job of IT manager. We would like to arrange an interview with him, though. Can we do that on the 20th?
That won't be a problem. He will be working for you after all.
Good.
Can we just clarify this contingency sum for urgent projects?
Yes, Karen and I will agree a sum before the contract starts. I will sign for any expenditure.
Will it be in the contract?
The actual sum won't be.
I see.
Let's put a clause in which details the contingency option without saying how much it'll be. We don't want any delays while we sort out the actual amount.
We do want this to be up and running by the start of next year.
That sounds good.
So, we have agreed an initial 1-year contract on the basis of full support and minimal project work. We will meet again here to interview Bernard, and you will fax us your standard employment contract for the 2 permanent staff. Can we leave it here for today?
Could we discuss payment terms?
Can we delay that until the next meeting? I'm afraid I have to go now.
Fax us a proposed schedule and we can talk it through in 2 weeks.
That'll be fine.
I'm sorry I have to leave so abruptly. Sean will arrange a taxi for you.
Thank you. See you in 2 weeks.
Hi,
Yes,
Sean
you must
Morrissey.
stay the night
Can I get a
and
taxi
see more
as
of
soon as possible?
Brussels.
That'd be great.
Goodbye then. I hope we both got the deal we wanted.
I think we did. Goodbye.